Lachey babes, it's my Lachey. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, make sure you guys scroll down and hit that subscribe button. If you guys are not new, then welcome back. Make sure you guys check out my social media. It'll be on the screen right here, because if you don't have me on my social media, then baby girl, what are you doing with your life? You're doing nothing, obviously. So today I am here with a hair review on this beautiful hair from Megalookhair. This is a 12-inch bob, 613, obviously. This hair is so freaking pretty. I first want to start this video by telling you guys I freaking love this hair. So I'm going to show you guys what it looked like when it first came out of the package. For one, they gave me so many goodies. They gave me like a hair clip. They gave me some bobby pins. They gave me a scarf. They gave me an information card, which gives you guys a lot of information on like if you are a YouTuber and how to get money off your hair. So I really appreciated that. And then also they gave me this beautiful unit, which I have on my head right now, and I just love it so freaking much. This hair was a little bit of a yellow blonde out of the package, so I went ahead and I used some purple hair dye, which was shimmer light, and I toned this hair. So as you guys can see now, it's not too much yellow, it's more of like an ash blonde. Which is what your girl was going for. Also went ahead and blow dried this hair. And I also tinted the lace with my foundation. A foundation of your skin tone is okay to use.
The sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
And then finally I installed this hair on my head. So I'm going to take you guys through the rest of the process throughout this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. Make sure you guys definitely check out Megalookhair, because this hair is bomb, okay? Okay, you guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and comb through this hair. As y'all can see, this wig is giving scalp action for one. Like, all scalp, no games, period. I was born with 613 hair. It's also really thick for it to be 613 hair. You guys, I really love the way this hair is turning out so far. It looks so freaking cute. So I'm just going to do a side part. That's the kind of part I like to do. I was thinking about doing a middle part, but I'm not. So I'm just going to do a side part and take my hot comb, which I had warming up, and I'm going to make sure I get that part to lay as flat as possible because we want scalp action. going ahead and put my foundation on the lace, it just, wow. I love this hair from Megalookhair, you guys. I'm going to take a little bit of Got To Be spray just to get my hair to lay down a little bit flatter. I know it's probably bad, but I'm going with my hot comb a little bit, just real fast so it doesn't burn. But so that we can get this hair to lay as flat as possible, you guys. You guys see the difference? Like, wait, I don't even think I'm gonna put baby hairs on this hair just because it looks so freaking nice the way it is. I am going to go ahead and just start straightening my hair using my iron flat irons. Get these preheated up to 360 and then get this hair as straight as possible. The chasing method, so just my comb and follow it with my flat irons just to try to get the hair straight as possible. I'm not going to be going section by section, just, you know, picking up some big pieces. This hair is really soft and flowy, so it shouldn't be a problem.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Okay guys, so this is the finished hair right now. I'm going to go ahead and put some makeup on and then I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back and this is the finished look. You guys, this hair is so freaking bomb. I got it laid, so sleek. It's just looking so natural. It's giving scalp action and I just love it so much. This hair is so freaking soft because it obviously is processed. It's bleached to get to this color and it's processed multiple times to get to this color and it's just so freaking amazing. I didn't get much shedding at all throughout this process. I just freaking love this hair. Like, it is so freaking pretty. The install process was easy and the lace is just giving life. So I definitely recommend you guys check out Megalookhair in the description box down below and I will see you guys later. Peace.